Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your Bumble preferences. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bumble application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, you can see small icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Here, you can edit your preferences. You can find the people between age of 18 and 36. Simply tap on this slider and drag it to your liking. If you ever run out of a people, you will see 2 years either side of your age if you toggle this on. You can also choose a language. Click on the select language button and click on add language and search for the language. And click on save button. You can add up to 5 languages here. After that, click on apply button. You can also change the advanced filters, but you need to have a premium account for it. You can enable only verified profiles from toggling this button, but you need to be verified first to toggle this button. Also, you can add filters from here. You get the different preferences options from here to change it to your liking, but the advanced filter preferences will only be unlocked if you have a premium account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.